Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.